Hi, this is Kumar for Trade to Success University. Welcome back. Before starting Module 3, let's review the Module 2 exercise. So we have Module 2 exercise review, Chart 1. So did you find the support and resistance line? That's where the line is. And so as we can see, we have price approaching this line many times. And we have many touches. Price couldn't break through here. And it couldn't here either. But then we do get a break at this point right here. And then we see that when price comes back down, the resistance line now acts as support, and price bounces off exactly on the line and carries on going upwards. So we have a resistance line. We have the break of the resistance line by price. And then we have support after price breaks up through the line, and the resistance line then acts as support. Module 2 exercise review, Chart 2. So in this chart, could you find the resistance and support line? What you're normally looking for here are many touches to a horizontal line. So you have to imagine a horizontal line and see where price is touching this horizontal line multiple times. Most of the time it is apparent because many touches to a certain price will catch your eye. In this case, the line is here. So we have many touches to the line. So the line is support because price is above the line. We then get a break of the line. And when price goes back up, it cannot penetrate up through the line, and so the line now acts as resistance. So the support line is broken to the downside, and then price tries to come back up but cannot penetrate up through the line, and so the line acts as resistance. The support line has turned into resistance once price breaks through it. Module 2 exercise review, Chart 3. So in this chart we're trying to look for an imaginary horizontal line that you can see many touches to. And obviously because of the nature of this exercise, you're also looking for, once price has broken through that line, for price to come back in the other direction and bounce off the horizontal line. Did you find it? That is the line. And first we see that we have many touches here to the line. And of course, we do have a little bit of a break here, but as I've explained in the previous module, it's never going to be perfect. We're looking really for the area. But some of these are pretty perfect examples that they come very close to that actual specific price. But as I showed you in the live market charts in the last module, it's never really that perfect. And when you do get those perfect ones, you know that it's a very rare occurrence. We then get a break of this line. Now, if the line is above price, then it is resistance. When price breaks the resistance line and tries coming back down, we get support. Price cannot break back down and bounces off it and carries on going up. So the resistance line is broken and we get support when price tries to come back down and break down below it but cannot. It bounces off and it carries on moving upwards. Module 2 exercise review, Chart 4. So did you get it in this one? If you still never got it, then maybe after going through the first few charts, you may be able to do this one. So pause the video now and try and find it. That's where the line is. Now again, it's pretty simple now. After going through the first few charts, I'm sure you understand this now. We've got touches to a horizontal line. Then price breaks that line. Now what is the line? In this area right here, what is the line? Is it support or is it resistance? It's support, of course, because price is above the line. And when price is above the line provides support for price. After the line is broken to the downside, support then turns into resistance when price cannot break totally up above it. It bounces off it and carries on moving down. So we have support with a break of support, and then when price comes back up and bounces off the line acts as resistance. So the support line has turned into resistance once price broke through it. Module 2, Exercise Review, Chart 5. So here, can you find the line? Now this is a good example because we have support before. Why is it support? Because price is above the line. And when price is above the line is support. We then get a break of support. Now after the line has been broken, we have many attempts for price to break up above it. But it cannot. Therefore the support line here, once broken through, acts as resistance. So once the support line has been broken, the line now acts as resistance because price is now below the line and price could not break up through it and bounced off it and carried on going down. Okay, so those were the answers to the Module 2 exercise. I hope you got them all right, and if not, I hope the explanation of the answers cleared up any confusion. So now let's get started with the new material in this next module. And so if you continue over to the next page, I'll see you in the next video where we'll start Module 3.